What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Man, it's John, Backwoods Off-Road and Overlanding. Man, and today, man, I got some awesome content for you today, guys. Man, today we're going to talk about budget moto camping and what you need to get started, guys. And stick around to the end of the video. Man, I got an awesome giveaway for you guys. So if you're just here for the giveaway, man, just go and skip to the end, man, whatever. But stick around, guys. You're gonna like what I got. You're gonna like what I got here. So, without further ado, let's roll right into it. All right, guys. I think I got her set up pretty good, man. I think I'm in frame. Like I said before, I'm not a photographer, but anyways, man. Okay, here we go. We've got our Swiss Tech. It's like $35 bag, guys. I'll put the cigarette out. All right, so we got a $35 bag. Comes with a nice strap here, guys. 23 freaking pounds. I can't believe this weighed 23 pounds, guys. Man, I'm just amazed. Let's see, what do we want to dig into first? You know what, let's start in our pockets, and then we'll go back. This is what we've got. Boom, nice first aid kit here. I've got a whole drawer full of first aid, guys, but this was like 15, 20 bucks. I did add for a few dollars the bleed stop, so this makes it a much nicer kit here. So guys, look at the first aid kits. Don't go anywhere without a first aid kit, guys, and get whatever kit you feel comfortable with based on your skills. And if you do have a first kit, make sure you know what's in it and make sure you know how to use what's in it, because you don't want to, look, I actually burnt myself the other day, guys. Look at that crap. Can you see it? I burnt myself bad. And I'm too embarrassed to tell you how I did it. Oh shit, that's hot. I touched it. But luckily, man, I had, I had my medic kit, and I had nice burn gel, man, threw it on there, threw my bandage on it, and it has not hurt one bit, guys. So I got a first aid kit right here. Always easy access, guys. First aid kit. You always want to, do not bury your first aid kit in your gear bag, guys. You want it as easy as possible to get to in case you need it, or in case you need to help somebody else, a fellow rider, somebody on the side of the road. Who knows? You never know you need a first aid kit. Next little zipper here. We've got lighting, guys. Lighting. 15 bucks, man. Nice little Coleman headlamp. You always need a headlamp, guys. No batteries in this. And headlamps, you probably have one already, so you could probably cut this out of the cost out of this, about 300 bucks that I spent on this whole 23-pound kit right here. So I've got a nice little headlamp. Man, this is pretty cool. Little $10 solar charger light here. One thing I'm gonna have to check, we got zip ties in our toolkit, so this doesn't include toolkit for your bike. So, lantern, hang up in your tent, around camp, whatnot, but mostly in your tent, if you want to read your book or whatever. So this is pretty nifty. So this is a solar charger. You could also charge it with USB, and there's also a backup battery bank. So, that's a twofer. And then also we have got some nice UFO stormproof matches here. And we'll get into a little bit of why we got matches here in a moment. So depending on, if you're gonna do fires or what kind of cooking setup, and we'll get into that into just a moment. We'll lay this to the side. Let's see, we got one more. There's our little USB charger here. I'll throw that there. We got one more zipper here we're gonna dig into. Man, camping is not camping unless you're roasting marshmallows. So every time I go motor camping, I don't care if I'm by myself or with my old lady or my youngins, man, I'm roasting me a marshmallow. Even if it's just on my Zippo, I'm roasting a marshmallow. So guys, this was like $288, guys. And it's collapsible. This thing will fit anywhere, guys. So that's like $3. What else we got in here? This was a promo item. This is a Camillus. Personally, I'm not a fan of Camillus. I've bought some of their products in the past, and it kind of sucks. But this actually came with since that's the last thing in this here, this actually was a promo item, and it's actually worth this here. This is really what I bought it for, guys, was this Latrine Shovel. And that is pretty nifty. So depending on where you're camping, you could probably toss this out of your kit. If you're just getting started, you're probably going to some, you're probably not going out in the nature on your own. You're probably going to a camping area and they've got latrines there and they've got porta potties and whatnot. But if you're going out and you're getting off the grid, you're gonna want your own latrine. Go dig a hole. Everybody goes number 2, guys. We don't like talking about it, but everybody goes number 2. So your options are to dig you a hole and bury it, or bag it and take it with you. Personally, I'd rather just dig a hole and then take it with me. So this was a nice twofer here, guys. This was like 14 bucks promo, guys. So let me, you know what, comment down below. Let me know if you like this, guys, man. I might go grab a couple more of these and do some giveaways. If you guys start, commenting on my shit, a lot of you guys do. I'm just messing with you, but man, it's pretty cool, man. If you want, I'll go grab some, guys. But nice sheath here. This actually isn't too bad here. We've got a, they just don't have, you know what, I could probably sharpen this and be happier with it, but I'm just not impressed with their blade quality. It looks like it's a full tang knife. I doubt it is. To get started, guys, we're talking, 15 bucks here to get started. We could split some wood if we needed to and, do some whittling and cut up food and whatnot. But most likely, you probably have a good fixed blade already. If you don't, you need to get a good fixed blade. My favorite fixed blade that I have is Mineral Mountain Hatchet Works. And man, go check them out. They've got some great quality blades, guys. I can't afford Miller Brothers yet. Go check them out, man. Guys, if you got deep pockets, go check out Miller Brothers. But we've also got a fire starter here. Fire steel pops in there. It's got a nice little 90 there. And it just, so bam, just depending on what you're doing, guys. More Knives is also very good quality, very, very affordable. So we've got a nice fixed blade knife. We've got our latrine shovel. Let's see what else we got in here, guys. Man, all right. Grabbed a couple of these. These were like $6 a piece. So always you need to carry water. And a nice thing about these, when you're done with them, they'll collapse down nice. Then you have room for your trash and other items, whatnot. Try and practice, guys. Every time you go out, leave it better than you found it. So even if it's one piece of trash, guys, I don't care. One piece of trash. I'm telling you, please comment down below if you've done this or if you're going to commit to doing this, guys. Leave it better than you found it. Comment down below and tell me if you've done it or if you're going to do it. Everywhere you go, take a piece of trash back home with you. That's all I ask, one piece of trash. So like I said, these were like $6 a piece, guys. These are nifty. Can't have enough water. So depending on what kind of first hydrating yourself, if you're bathing, depending on how many days you're going out. Also got this, it's similar to like a little Nalgene bottle. This was like $3 or $4. These are pretty inexpensive. I'd love to get a $30, $40 single wall stainless. That way you can boil water in it and, sterilize it if you need to, and you can cook with it and all that. But that's, we can upgrade this later, guys, and get something nicer and spend $30, $40 on a nice single wall stainless steel bottle. So, that's what this is all about. Start off small and then upgrade different pieces as you go. So you definitely want plenty of, carrying water options. A water bladder also is a good option. Oh, let's see, what else do we have in here? Man, I can't believe they had this, guys. Oh, I hate these tags. Man, they had this nice little folding chair, guys. Man, this was like 15 bucks. Man, it's probably not the best in the world. This is a lower chair. I think I like this because when I'm camping, man, I like sitting low, like I'm on a log and my feet are out. Man, I actually grew up in the seats we had at the house around the fire were old K5 rear seat Blazer seats, so they sat real low. So I like sitting real low. But yeah, that's a pretty nice seat here. And so like I said, this is something to get started. And man, you really love motocamping, go out and buy you a $200 chair. That is half the footprint. But this footprint is, man, it's actually not much bigger than my skewer here. All right, so we got that. What else we've got? Oh man, look, got our flipping freaking tags again. Man, they just get in the way. We're gonna take a pound of tags off. Man, nice little starter sleeping bag, guys. This was like 23, 28 bucks, guys. But if you get a cheap sleeping bag, it's rated for 40 degrees. I'm gonna say this is more like 55, 60 degrees. So you definitely get what you pay for, guys. This is not a $300 sleeping bag. So another thing to keep in mind, if you're camping in cool weather, don't camp in the low spot, because as it gets cooler at night, all that cold air is going to go to the bottom of that valley. You're going to freeze your ass off. It's going to be 15 degrees warmer up high somewhere. So keep that in mind. Watch your temperatures. Cheap bags, don't go buy this, guys. I'm telling you, you're going to freeze your ass. If you go out and it's 45 degrees, you're going to freeze your butt off, guys. But that's something you can upgrade as you go. What else we've got in here? We've got a nice little mess kit. Man, this was like $5. We've got our lid. We got a little pot. Oh, I didn't open this up yet. Man, so we got a nice little pot, and we got a lid, and we got a skillet. So we can do some frying, cook us some bacon, and an egg, and man, who knows what. Nice little cup. And this package is, man, this thing, man, look how nice that package is together. Man, this was like $5, guys. $5. You can't beat that. Man, you can't beat that. What else we've got? Also got this here. I got this here because this will be a lot nicer. When I go camping, I'm gonna take freeze-dried food. So we don't have any food here. So take freeze-dried food water. So this will be perfect for boiling water. And this opens up. Let's see if I can get it. Okay, this actually locks pretty nice. Flips over. Then I got something in here. In here we've got our $18 little fuel stove. Boom. And then we've got our fuel in here as well. So this was about 18 bucks. This was like $4 or $5, guys. And this is why we got our matches, because this little Coleman here, nifty, it's cheap, but it doesn't have an igniter. So when you go to light it, you're gonna need a match to light it. So we've got that. Another thing here, this nice little kit here. Actually, this is like a little mess kit, man. It comes with 2 nice little bowls. Comes with 2 nice little sporks. So that fits in there nice. And then we throw our sporks back in here. And then actually, I was pretty impressed. And this actually fits in here really nice. And they make some of those that are pretty compact. And we can upgrade that later, guys. Definitely upgrade it. And it locks nice. And it's not going anywhere. Not going anywhere. All right, so we've got that. All right, guys, I promise we're almost done. Man, you guys won't believe what I got in here. Man, I got a freaking sleeping pad, guys. Look at that. So this is gonna help you sleeping pad. If it's cooler, it just depends on the weather, guys. So this was like $8. It was like $8.88. So this will help you insulate with your sleeping pad, your sleeping bag. Man, if you're a rough sleeper, depending on what kind of sleeper you got, man, you might want to spend extra money and get you a nice little cot and cinch it to it. Man, we got plenty of room to cinch more stuff. And we got some more room in this bag too. One option that my Wally World didn't have, they didn't really have a good option for a pillow. Actually, I didn't go to the pillow section. Nah, we don't want a big pillow. They did have like a little blow up hammock pillow. I was like, yeah, but I'm a side sleeper, so I'm good at using my arm. And dude, if I had an arm in a t-shirt, I sleep like a freaking baby. So they had this here for this wasn't even like 10 bucks. This is a nice little seating pad. So this would be a twofer for me. So this would be a nice little seating pad, depending on how I want to sit, where I'm doing, chilling, hanging out, whatnot. And then I can fold it, and then I can, I'm sleeping like a baby. So this was very nice, very inexpensive. Let's see, that's empty, Man, we're missing something. Oh, our tent. Oh man, guys. Look at that shit. Man, look at that. This is that was just like 28 bucks, 30 bucks, guys. 3-person dome tent. Man, the footprint, guys. Man, the footprint of this. Let me show you the footprint. There's our bottle. Let's see. Man, here's our little foldable chair. Look at that. And guys, this weighs nothing. This weighs nothing, guys. Oh my goodness. But like I said, guys, it depends. Man, if you're getting started, go buy you a $30 tent, guys. It's fine. I mean, it's not gonna last. It's not gonna last, man. If you use it more than 5 times, if you get 5 uses out of a $30 tent, you have well got your money's worth. But maybe it wouldn't hurt, you know, you got a toolkit for your bike, so it probably wouldn't hurt to have a roll of duct tape. That way, if you're out there and something rips, duct tape, you'll fix it with some duct tape. So I'm fine and dandy, you know, starting out my motor camping adventures in a $30 tent. And then once old lady quits her job and we can go out and do some more camping, then I'll go out there and I'll buy a 3, 5. Who knows, man? Hell, I might buy a $600 tent. But anyways, guys, man, here's the bag. Let me see if I can get all this up here in one shot. I got shit everywhere. Oh. Sleeping bag, tent pad. All right, we got our chair. We actually got 2 mess kits. We got our latrine shovel, 3 water bottles. We got a nice little fixed blade knife. Well, not a nice fixed blade. We've got a fixed blade knife. We've got our collapsible solar lantern. We've got our headlamp, and we've got our first aid. We've got our skewer, and we've got our fuel, guys. So that's the basics, guys. Man, this is right here. I spent $300, guys, and I'm moto camping. 300 bucks. That's all it took, and that's including the bag and the straps to strap it to my rear rack, guys. You can't beat it. Now on to the good stuff. All right, I found it. All right, guys, man, giveaway time, man. If you guys been watching this channel for a while, man, you know I love giveaways, guys. Man, I love giveaways. But what I've got here, I've got a nice starter tool roll here. This is the one I made myself. If you've been following the channel for any time here, you've seen this already. We have got, we've got a 6, 8, 10, 12, 13 millimeter box wrenches. We've got a nice small pair of vice grips here. We've got 1, 2, 3 different lengths of zip ties. We've got some nice mechanic steel wire here. Man, this is really cool here, guys. Check this out. I've got 3 of the wrenches paracord wrapped. Man, yes, I did that myself, guys. How cool is that? Let's see, these wrenches here, there might be, what, 10, 12, 15 foot of paracord. I think that's like 6 and 3, give or take. We've got some Gorilla tape wrapped around a wrench here. We've got some electrical tape, and man, that's it, guys. Man, it's some good stuff, guys. Nice little tool roll. Man, everything fits down in here. Actually, them zip ties, I should have folded those zip ties here. But anyways, man, good start, guys. So this is the giveaway. Guys. And same rules as before. Let's see, today is what, January 1st. Tomorrow's gonna be February. So I'll put the details down below. I'm gonna run this giveaway, guys and gals. I'm gonna run this giveaway until Sunday night. All you gotta do, comment down below, subbed, liked, and shared. And if you haven't subbed already, hit that sub button, hit the like button on this video, and share this video, and comment down below when you're done. And that's all you got to do to be entered for this giveaway. I'll cover your shipping. You don't have to pay a dime when you win. I've had some guys win giveaways, guys, and they didn't get in touch with me. So when you win, I pick the winner Sunday night at 11 p.m. Eastern time over here in the States. So this will be in the States shipping as well, guys. So I won't be able to get this out to Australia or UK or anything like that. I apologize. It'll probably cost me twice as what it's worth here. MSRP on this here is about $60. So this is a good giveaway, guys, and we'll get bigger with this stuff. So, but like I said, comment down below. Let me know. I'm gonna run this Sunday, and this video is probably gone too flipping long. And guys, I apologize. I do apologize. I don't like making long videos, but that's what I get for making unscripted videos. So, enter that giveaway, guys. This is awesome stuff, man. If you're considering moto camping, guys, man, this is what you need to get started and cater it to your area and make adjustments as you see fit and whatnot and where you're going. And you know, what works for me might not work for you, but at least this will give you some ideas, guys. And man, Appreciate all y'all support, and thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time. Keep riding.